In this video, we will check the diagonals of machine. Here we have taken 200 mm by 200 mm square for cutting a sample to check diagonals. Check vertical height and horizontal length of cut sample, which should be 200 mm by 200 mm. Check both the diagonals of cut sample square, which should be of same size. It proves all the rectangle sizes are correct and cutting sample is at perfect position. If the diagonals are mismatching, then check connecting rod coupler of y-axis, move y-axis to maximum front side and check both the slide distance for both left and right side. If y-axis pulleys bolts are damaged, then also issue arises in mismatching of diagonal sizes.